My name is Madhu. I'm the global logistics manager of Global Telelink. This is a company. Prakriti Power is our brand name. We deal with lithium-ion battery and LED. There are a number of products in the market. We are different from them as our products include a range of products. We have a bicycle mobile charger, motorcycle mobile charger. We have a solar lantern. We have three variants in the solar lantern. We have DC generator as well. We have n number of products. More than products, we have n number of options to be given to the clients. All our products can be charged with a solar lantern. Our products are made with ABS plastic. It cannot be broken. This is what you have pasted in the Energy Resource of India. They have mentioned whatever the lighting which you are given, if it is 3 hours or 4 hours, whatever the backup we are giving a continuous. There is no ups and downs in the power supply. A motorcycle mobile charger, it's a very new to the industry. Whatever the cables, it should be connected to the battery, and the pouch will having a two-wheeler pouch. Will sit in that pouch. If we want to charge our motorcycle while running on the two-wheeler, it can be charged. If not, once we switch on your two-wheeler, even then also it is charging. Whatever you're talking about is sustainable energy and renewable source of energy. It is stating that if whatever the energy it is taking inside, from that it is using our products. It's not, if you are talking about the motorcycle mobile charger, all our products can be charged with a motorcycle mobile charger. Whatever the pin is common for all our products. We are located at Panjagutta, Maruti Grinder 201. This is not available anywhere. We are the only manufacturers. Whatever the products, we have a moss-free jumbo. It is made of a neem and tulsi. It is like a dhoop sticks. We are charging it for 25 rupees. We don't want to give to any retailers. If anyone customer is interested, they'll come down to us. If we are putting any in the supermarket, we need to charge, but the end customer is facing the trouble of it. Our products range from 25 rupees to 10,000. We are giving 1 year replacement for all our products. All our products are unbreakable products. Whatever the battery which is inside is lithium-ion battery. It can be chargeable with 6,000 rechargeable times. There is no exchange kind of a thing. If you are coming with any defect product, straight away we'll be dismantling the product with the help of video. You yourself will handle the product. Even deaf and dumb people are assembling the product. Why can't we? That's our concept. There is no service center or nothing that sort.